Alright, we're going bowling, and the little guy wants to ride in this. So, that's what we're going to do. Alright, we're going to do a Carolina cold start here. It's like 55, 58. You think it'll run?
Yeah.
Success! Boy, those Chevys are good cars, ain't they?
Yeah.
Hey, I lost my snack there in the back seat. We grab it. Sure is pretty around here. Everybody says delete that DOD, but I don't know. Look at that. And we're running probably 58. How fast are we? 52, 55 mile an hour. Kinda interesting how that works. Something sliding around in the back seat. What is it, buddy? That doesn't help the fuel economy. We're going really good now. 99.9 miles per gallon. That'll help make up for that 1.8 I just saw. Here's another thing. This car, like I said, was a cop car. Average speed's 29.5 miles per gallon, but the fuel economy is going up. It goes up every time I drive. It's up to 17.2 now. When I got it, it was at like 11, if I remember right. 11 miles per gallon. So this thing sat and idled a fair amount. I think there's a way to tell how many hours it idled. I haven't figured that out yet. Another reason I got to go in early is Mama says I need a haircut. What do you think?
You're looking a little scraggly.
Scraggly? Like Sasquatch.